I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As an avid golfer with a swing speed of about 70 miles per hour, I know how crucial it is to choose the right equipment. Let's dive into the top 5 golf balls that can genuinely elevate your game.
Product number 1. Golf Training Ball Smart Ball. When I first stumbled upon the Golf Training Ball Smart Ball by Montilla Golf, I was a bit skeptical. At a price point of $19.99, it seemed like a simple inflatable ball. However, after using it, I realized it's much more than just that. The experience started off when I unboxed it and felt the quality of the nylon material. It was soft, yet durable. The first time I inflated it using the included pump, I appreciated how easy it was to set up. I adjusted the lanyard to fit comfortably around my neck and clipped the ball between my forearms, which felt awkward at first, but soon became intuitive. The immediate feedback helped me focus on maintaining the right arm distance during swings, which is crucial for anyone, especially beginners. I could feel the muscle memory forming as I practiced, and it was exciting to see improvements in my swing posture. Pros: the quality materials ensure it's comfortable and non-slip, which is a must for proper training. The design is reasonable, making it easy to adjust. It's super user-friendly, no complicated setup. It's not just for beginners. Even seasoned golfers can benefit from reinforcing good habits. Cons: if you're looking for something that offers a more comprehensive training experience with technology involvement, this might feel a bit basic. Also, it requires a bit of practice to get used to using it effectively. Why buy it? This training ball is a fantastic tool to reinforce correct swing mechanics and improve overall swing skills. If you're looking to cultivate good habits early or refine existing ones, it's worth every penny.
Product number 2. 3-piece Golf Swing Trainer Set. The 3-piece Golf Swing Trainer Set had my attention immediately when I saw it priced at $19.99. This all-in-one solution includes an armband, impact ball, and a posture aid. The first time I used it, I could feel the difference in my swing dynamics. The armband restricts improper movements, which helps me develop a cleaner, more consistent swing path. It was fascinating to see how a simple band could make such a big impact. The Smart Impact Ball offered instant feedback, allowing me to adjust my hitting force and direction on the fly. I found the Posture Correction Assist to be a game changer as well. Maintaining proper stance during swings is critical for generating power. Pros: this set covers all bases, addressing arm movement, impact, and posture. It's durable, lightweight, and easy to transport, making it perfect for practicing anywhere. Whether you're a novice or an experienced player, it enhances technique and boosts confidence. Cons: the armband might feel restrictive for some, especially if you're used to more freedom of movement. Beginners might need some time to adjust to using all 3 pieces effectively. Why buy it? If you're serious about improving your swing mechanics, this set is an excellent investment. It's perfect for golfers at all levels who want a well-rounded training experience.
Product number 3. Compression Ball Golf Swing Trainer. The compression ball from Golf Training Aids caught my eye for its premium memory foam design, priced at $59.99. I was intrigued by its promise to help fix common swing flaws like the chicken wing. The first time I used it, I could feel how the soft foam comfortably compressed between my forearms, helping me maintain connection throughout my swing. I focused on my tempo and could immediately see improvements in my ball striking. This ball feels like it's designed for real golfers looking to fine-tune their game. Pros: the ultra-soft memory foam is comfortable and effective, providing a tour-level impact feel. It's portable and comes with a secure lanyard, making it easy to use at the range or at home. This tool is suitable for golfers of all skill levels, which is a huge plus. Cons: at $59.99, it might feel a bit pricey for a single training aid. Some users might find it unnecessary if they already have a good grasp of their swing mechanics. Why buy it? If you're looking to eliminate flaws in your swing and improve your overall technique, this compression ball could be the missing link in your training arsenal.
Product number 4. Golf Training Tool Swing Speed Radar. The golf training tool, specifically the Swing Speed Radar, took my training to a whole new level. Priced at $159.99, it's a bit of an investment, but it's worth every cent. The first time I used it, I was impressed by its ease of use. I was able to track my swing speed without needing to hit an actual golf ball. Using it with a wiffle ball made it a unique training experience. The Doppler radar technology provided instant feedback, allowing me to adjust my swing in real time. I loved how it could connect the device to my phone via Bluetooth to set goals and track my progress. Pros: the accuracy of the swing speed readings is impressive, and it's simple to use.
The ability to practice without hitting a ball is a game changer. It's also compatible with most swing speed trainers, making it versatile. Cons. The price point may deter some, and it can be sensitive to environmental factors, which means you need to be mindful of your surroundings while using it. Why buy it? If you're serious about improving your swing speed and want precise data to work with, the Swing Speed Radar is an invaluable tool that will help you achieve your golfing goals.
Product number 5. Big Crazy Golf Swing Speed Trainer. The Big Crazy Golf Swing Speed Trainer piqued my interest for its adjustable 3-weight configuration, retailing at $35.99. As someone keen on increasing my swing speed, I was eager to give this a try. The first time I attached it to my club and began swinging, I immediately felt the difference. The added weight forced me to focus on my swing mechanics, and I could already feel my muscle memory adapting. I liked how I could switch out weights easily, making it versatile for different training sessions. Pros: it's affordable and effective, especially for those looking to increase swing speed. The non-slip rubber sleeve provides a secure grip, and it's designed to be used with a variety of clubs. The 3-weight option allows for tailored training. Cons: it might take some time to get used to swinging with added weight, and those accustomed to lighter clubs may find it challenging initially. Why buy it? This swing trainer is perfect for anyone looking to boost their swing speed and improve their overall game. It's a smart investment for regular practice and will help you add those crucial extra yards.